After a long, hard day of drilling holes in rocks, typically just take your bit, toss it to the trash. This is General's drill grinding attachment. So after screwing it down, there are several different angles you can sharpen your bits with. 49, 59, 68, and 88. You can also fit several different size drill bits because of all the adjustments this tool has. Now it's all ready, I'm going to sharpen one side, flip the tool over, and do the exact same on the other side by slowly working it in. Now it's ready to test, and it's definitely working a lot better than what it was before. So I know what you're thinking. My setup was terrible, I did 1,000 things wrong, and you could make a better, safer, nicer setup than me with the stuff at your house right now, couldn't you? Well, I'd like to see you try it, because you can pick one of these up at PennToolCo.com. They're extremely affordable, they ship it directly to your house, and you're gonna make your money back by just sharpening your bits at your house, so what do you have to lose? It's not my fault you made things personal.